So, what should we name it? Itchy Armpit it is.
Isn't that right, bud? What would we do without you, old king of dragons?
Toothless! You're pouting, big baby boo! Oh, you're right, you win!
He's down! Oh, and it's ugly! Dragons, Vikings, enemies again! Locked in combat to the bitter! Oh!
No, that doesn't work out.